country, in Brazil, Bahia state. This island is called Catamaran, and there is a town here, very small town called Morro de São Paulo. And well, today is Thursday, not a holiday. If you feel like you want to go to a crowded place, that's not the place for you. Well, that person, the only person over there, that's my wife, Claudia. Right? So, but if you look at this beach, you can see we are here by ourselves. The entire thing just ours. And well, I'll tell you, I don't miss any crowd. Really, I'm super good with that. This place is magic. Look at the color of this water. Look at this white sand. Look at the coconut trees. It's unbelievable. I really recommend you to come here. But don't tell too many people that a place like that exists. You don't want to see this crowded. No, you don't. Okay. See you. There are several options to take from Salvador into Morro de São Paulo. One of them is just to take a boat at the harbor in downtown, and it's about 2.5 hours ride and take you directly from Salvador harbor into Morro de São Paulo. It's pretty smooth ride, and yeah, we enjoyed beautiful scenery. We really recommend. After 2.5 hours, we finally arrived to the island, and it's a beautiful entrance at the bay. You see the lighthouse, the historic fortress, and then we finally get to the harbor. And the next step is to walk to your hotel. So I hope you are enjoying our trip. Another great experience here in Bahia state is the food. You have really to try. Is fresh seafood in a very rich and delicious stew. They cook most of this food with palm tree oil called dende and coconut milk, several other spices. Delicious. Yeah, you have to try it. Very, very fresh. It's really worth. So today is our last day here in Morro de São Paulo. We are getting a plane, like a small plane. We are at the airport now and waiting for the plane to arrive. So we're gonna fly into Salvador. It's our last day in this wonderful island, and it's a great day. That's our plane. That's our plane. So we're gonna take this one to Salvador. Let's have this experience. We are so happy, so excited that we are back to Bahia. Almost 20 years later, since we moved to the United States, we had no chance to come back here. And now, just looking at all this, getting this food, the architecture, the scenery, the ocean, the people, what a great experience. We love this place. Is like a dream coming true that we had a chance to come back. And I'm glad that I'm sharing these moments with you, and I hope you are enjoying our trip.